Hey there! Want to go green, get statements faster, and reduce clutter? Signing up for eStatements on Bank of America is a simple switch with immediate benefits. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to enroll. Log into your Bank of America online account. Click on the Profile and Settings or Accounts tab, then find Statement Delivery Options. You'll see a list of your accounts. Simply switch the toggle or drop-down for each account from Paper to Online eStatement. You can choose to get an email notification when a new statement is ready in your secure message center. My crucial pro tip? Download your annual and tax statements for your permanent files. While Bank of America stores statements for years, make it a habit to download your December statement and annual tax documents each January. Save them with your permanent financial records. This guarantees you always have them. Just like that, you'll simplify your life and enhance your security. Are you fully paperless with all your financial accounts? What was the final push that made you switch? Share below. If eco-friendly and efficient tips appeal to you, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.